Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat with Grok Trade with the extraordinary trade of the day. It was on TLRY. If you take a look here at opening, these are 1-minute candles, by the way. It opened right here. It went up there. It was starting to form what's called a high base. Want to know more about that? Go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com. That's freeonlinetradingeducation.com. And we can go to our free chart school. Go to chart school right here. Go to chart patterns right here. We're going to go to high base right there. High base. This is what it looks like. Here's a description of it. And it looks like it runs up here and it's starting to just level off there for a little while. This is what we call a high probability entry. And here's some examples of them here on charts where it broke out from here. Here's another one, breaks out from there. So let's take a look here at where we're at here. It's just trying to form the high base. I set a trade right there. Let the market come to me. And let's see what happened next. And in the next minute, oh, I got in. Look at that. I got in right there at $11.09. I am long, or I bought TLRY. And now it's running up there. I had 1% attached stop to start off with at 10.89. And now as it's moving up here in my favor, I'm going to bring it up here to break even. Right now, I have zero risk left in the trade. Oh, but Mark, you might have a lot of money invested, but no, that's how much risk I have. Now I'm playing on the house's money. Isn't that cool? And now it starts to go up here to this 1150 area, and it starts to high base again. So you know what I did? I set up another order to get in here at 1155, and if it breaks out to there, it's going to get me in right away. Because why? I have zero risk in the trade. Why not get in again if it's another high probability entry on a high base? Sure enough, what happened? Boom! It got in and it came back down and it tagged right where I got in and then took off again. Isn't that great? So now I had a 1% attached stop on my second lot, but now that it's gone up here in my favor, I'm going to combine the two stops here. Up here, and I'm going to bring it just below this pivot line here, the yellow line. It's a lesson for another day, the pivot line, but it's just here. It's just slightly in the money for the second trade, and I'm in the money by about 3% or more at this point. Had no idea it was going to take off like this, and now look, it pulled back and took off like a rocket here. And look at the volume. Ooh, doggies! I love it when that happens. So let's see what happened after that. It's running up here, and pull back here just a little bit to the even $12 amount here. So I'm going to bring my stop up here, and I'm going to bring it in the money further here, just under this $12 area. And look at that. Oh, and then it broke out. Look at the volume when it broke out. Boom, baby. Yeah, the markets were still going up at this point. It was just after 10 o'clock market time, and now it's starting to settle down just under its R1 pivot line as a possible line of resistance here. So I'm going to be bringing my stop up here along this 20 moving average. My stop is here at 1232, right at the 20 moving average. And by the way, I had two other students, mentoring students that were in the chat room this morning, were in this trade with me now. They got in at slightly different areas, and they're managing their trades as we're working together. And it came right back down here to this area here. I'm not, and then look at that. It got stopped me out. And right where my stop was, that was a line of support, which was, well, let's look. It was resistance here, came back and was a line of support at this point. So two of us had stopped out at that point, and then it went on from there. And the other gentleman was still in, and then until it dropped down to here, and then he stopped out when it dropped down to the 50 moving average. So where were we in this trade? Here, so on this trade, I exited at 1232 for 11.1% on the first half and 6.7% on the second half for a total of 17.8% in 39 minutes. Who doggies? I love it when that happens, don't you? And then we also had the other two people that were in this trade. Let's take a look at that. Here we are. They're my two trades on trade 1 and 2. But then Sam was also in this trade. He got in at a different spot. Again, high probability setup. And then he got out at a slightly higher price than I did. He got in for 9.8%. And then Alan, who was also a brand new trader, he was in it at 1175 and got out at 1215 for 3.4%. He said, well, I was late to the party. No, he got in when he missed the first ones. Then he got in when there's another high probability setup. He was very patient, let the market come to him. And then he managed his stop. So look at that. As a group, we were at 30.9%. Whoo, doggies, that's an extraordinary day. This rarely happens, but boy, when it does. But you know what? We were cool, calm, and collected, and we didn't know when we got in the trade it was going to continue to run like that. But boy, that was a great trading day for us. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, for everybody here at Grok Trade, we want to wish you the merriest of Christmases and, of course, the happiest and most profitable New Year. Trade well, and may your winners run.